Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm blue. My disposition depends on you. I never mind all that rain from the sky, just as long as I can see all that love light in your eyes. Sometimes I hate you, sometimes I love you, but when I hate you, it's 'cause I love you. That's how I am, so what can I do? I'm happy when I'm with you. Dear, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I feel so blue, I don't know what to do. Oh, my disposition depends so much on you. I never mind when raindrops fall from clouds above me, just as long as there's sun shining in your eyes, shining ever brightly to tell me that you love me. Oh, sometimes I hate you, then again I love you so, I know I never let you go.